Hey everyone! Today we are exploring the top 5 best effects you must know. These effects are perfect for taking your project to the next level. So let's jump right in. Alright, kicking off our list at number 1 is the glow effect. This effect is perfect for adding that beautiful soft glow to any layer, whether it's text, shapes, or even entire scenes. Let me show you how to use it. First, make sure you have your layer selected. Now head over to Effects and Preset panel on the right, and in the search bar type in glow. For a softer and more cinematic look, try lowering the threshold and increasing the radius. Coming in at number 2, we have motion blur. If you want your animations to feel more dynamic and realistic, this effect is a must. As you can see, the motion here feels a bit stiff and unrealistic. To fix that, let's enable motion blur. First, make sure the motion blur switch is turned on for your layer. Just click the little icon that looks like 3 overlapping circles in your timeline. Now, make sure to toggle the global motion blur switch at the top of your timeline, so the effect is applied across your composition. Now, as the object moves, you get that smooth, blurred trail that adds a lot more realism to the motion. Next up at number 3 is classic drop shadow. This effect is key for adding depth to your designs, making elements stand out against your background. To apply the drop shadow, select your layer and head over to Effects and Preset panel again. Search for drop shadow and drag it onto your layer. With the drop shadow applied, you can tweak the distance to control how far the shadow is from your object. Adjust the softness to blur the shadow, and play around with the opacity to make it more or less visible. At number 4, we have Keylight 1.2, an industry standard effect for chroma keying. With your footage selected, head over to Effects and Preset panel, search for Keylight, drag it onto your layer. Use this eyedropper tool to select the green background, and just like that, the background is keyed out. You can refine the key by adjusting the clip black and clip white settings to clean up any leftover green spill. And finally at number 5 we have lens flare. This effect is perfect for creating cinematic looks by simulating the light hitting the camera lens. In the effect control panel, you can adjust the flare center to position it exactly where you want and tweak the flare brightness and lens type for different effects. If you're looking for more advanced lens flare options, I highly recommend checking out Optical Flare by Video Copilot. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more After Effects tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.